Okay, I'm gonna remind. So does this look pretty or ugly? Okay, so we're having an ugly sweater contest for Christmas. Yes, I know you guys been asking for it. We're having an ugly sweater contest for Christmas. Just come into Computers Plus from now until what? December 24th? Right? Is that it? December 24th? Christmas Eve, yeah, December 24th. And you're going to be judged by your peers. And we're going to see if you have the ugliest sweater. If you do, you win the prize. We're giving away 3 prizes, first, second, and third. You know, on Halloween, we gave away 5 prizes, but you know, it was like no one, like, you guys gotta show up. Please come in. This is our chance to give everything back to you guys that have made us so successful. Computers Plus USA, located in Kennesaw, located in Acworth, one in Cartersville we're working at, and one in Woodstock we're working on. We can't wait to continue giving you guys awesome service, awesome product for a price that you can afford with flexible payment options. Now, so the ugly sweater contest is going down. It's going down here at Computers Plus. We can't wait to see you guys. We're going to take a snapshot of you guys, put you all up, and see what you judged by your peers to see who has the ugliest sweater. Now, we got to be careful about some of the sweaters out there, because I have seen some sweaters that will have to be blurred out, censored out. So we're asking people to please somewhat use your best judgment and take it easy. We want to definitely recognize everybody that did come in with a sweater. So if you did come in with a sweater, we're like, okay, we can't do that one. But hey, you know what? It's all fun. It is a way, like I said, we're giving back to all of our customers, all of our followers, all of our friends. So please, if you are in a different state, send us a picture and we're going to post it. We're going to post it. And you know what? If you got the ugliest sweater and we can verify that it's you and not no Google image, because you remember that one year, Cat, we had like Google image. Okay. No. Okay. Photoshop, can't do that way. Like, you got to be having the shirt on, right? And you can't take a picture at Walmart and then say, here's my ugly sweater, because you got to actually own the sweater. Own the sweater. So please, if you are checking this out on another state, send it in, and we are going to still judge you, because you'll be judged by your peers. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, favorite computer concierge with Computers Plus. We'll see you guys soon in your ugly sweater contest. Bye.